Hare Krishna. Text 21. Veda vinashinam nityam ya enajam avyayam katham sa purusha partha kam khatayati hantikam. Meaning, everything has its proper utility, and a man who is situated in complete knowledge knows how and where to apply a thing for its proper utility. The king's punishment of hanging a murderer is actually beneficial. When Krishna orders fighting, it must be concluded that violence is for supreme justice, and Arjuna should follow the instruction, knowing well that such violence committed in the act of fighting for Krishna is not violence at all. At any rate, the man, or rather the soul, cannot be killed. So, for justice, so called violence is permitted. Therefore, the fighting to be executed by Arjuna at the instruction of Krishna is with full knowledge, so there is no possibility of sinful reaction. Text 22. Vasamsi jirnani yadha vihaya navani grihnadi naroparani tadha sharirani vihaya jirnanya anya. Although the two birds are in the same tree, the eating bird is fully engrossed with anxiety and morosenses as the enjoyer of the fruits of the tree. But if in some way or other he turns his face to his friend, the Lord, and knows his glories, at once the suffering bird becomes free from all anxieties. Arjuna has now turned his face towards his eternal friend Krishna and is understanding the Bhagavad Gita from him. And thus, hearing from Krishna, he can understand the supreme glories of the Lord and be free from the lamentation. Text 23. Nainam chindanti shastrani, nainam dahadi pavakaha, na chainam kledayantyapo, na shoshayati marutaha. Meaning, all kinds of weapons, swords, flame weapons, rain weapons, tornado weapons, etc., are unable to kill the spirit soul. It appears that there were many kinds of weapons made of earth, water, air, ether, etc., in addition to the modern weapons of fire. Text 24. Achedyoyam adahyoyam akledyo shoshya evacha nityas sarvagadastanur achaloyam sanatanaha. Meaning, there is no doubt that the living entities are all over God's creation. They live on the land, in the water, in the air, within the earth, and even within fire. The belief that they are sterilized in fire is not acceptable because it is clearly stated here that the soul cannot be burned by fire. If the sun globe is uninhabited, then the word sarvagata, living everywhere, becomes meaningless. Text 25. Avyaktoyam achintyoyam avikaryoyam uchyate tasmadebam viditvainam nanushojitum. Meaning, as far as the soul's existence is concerned, no one can establish his existence experimentally beyond the proof of Shruti. We have to accept this truth because there is no other source of understanding the existence of the soul, although it is a fact of perception. There are many things we have to accept solely on the grounds of superior authority. No one can deny the existence of his father based upon the authority of his mother. The soul is inconceivable by human experimental knowledge. Concept is repeated in the Vedas in different ways just to confirm the stability of the conception of the soul. Repetition of something is necessary in order that we understand the matter thoroughly without error. Hare Krishna.